So here's how I get online all the time. I don't really use public Wi-Fi. I just have this network box that's either sitting in my van or in whatever accommodation I'm in. So right now I'm in a hotel. It's kind of snowing outside. A little bit of snowstorm going on. Not quite white out, but it's close. Gonna go for a walk later. But anyways, so it's just like a little box with some Wi-Fi to enabled devices and stuff like that, and Ethernet devices in it. So the only thing I really modify with the box itself is I cut a notch for the AC adapter, so you pass through where the this gasket is and leave the rest of the gasket area sealed, so it reduces water ingress risk. I have this is the Wi-Fi. Oops, this is the Wi-Fi access point, and that's the router device. And then here is the cell phone internet modem. Oops, let me press the button. There you go, you kind of see it. So this device, all it does is it just gets a cell phone signal and provides data via that blue Ethernet connector. Hooks into the router here. And then the router hooks up to the Wi-Fi via Ethernet as well. And yeah, it works pretty good. I think I have less than $300 in this box, and that's pretty generous. I think you can build this really cheap. You don't really need a dedicated cell phone device. You can use an Android device. You could probably do away with this wireless access point and just have one like router in here. You could probably do away with AC power and specialize this into DC, because this takes one of these takes 24 volt, the other one takes 12 volt, and then the cell phone device takes 5 volt USB. So could do 12 volt and have some circuitry and get this all set up without having AC input required. But yeah, otherwise as is, it works pretty good. There's always ways to improve it, but this is not supposed to be like the perfect solution to end all other improvements and efforts, because I'm always learning how I use my network and stuff like that. I copy ebooks between my e-readers and my laptop, and I copy stuff between my phone and my laptop, and I sometimes use this for fast installations because the Wi-Fi is just fast because it's enterprise Wi-Fi. But it's pretty tough too. So I've knocked this over a few times. like I don't know. Like it just holds up. I've had this tumble over in my van a few times, and it's never broke. So I don't know. I mean, I could have spent a lot more on fancier electronics, but and fancier dedicated enclosures. But why when this works just as well, and I know how I built it, and if I need to fix it, I can fix it. I'm not my network won't just be offline because something's not working. I'll probably just get another component off the shelf and put it in there. That'll be it. So yeah, this is how I approach a lot of the problems I do with the van, or just how I live in general. Is I think about how do I unitize it, modularize it, and make it so I can take it anywhere I go. A little bit of lightning there. So if you found this interesting, I guess give this a like. But really, I just wanted to share this because I don't know, I see a lot of nonsense online for really complicated solutions. I've met a lot of people who built really complicated home lab solutions, and none of that really appeals to me, because everything you build you have to maintain and continue to maintain, and that's a job in itself. So this is basically the anti-job. It's saying well, I have this thing, it works forever. When it fails, it's cool. I replace it. I don't really think about it. I don't really cry about it. And yet I get all the value I need from it because it does exactly what I need and nothing more, nothing less. It doesn't even get hot really. And I've had this in this up during summer too. But anyways, I think I'm rambling now. Work smart, not harder.